Ooh, what is happening, people? Look at that hood. You're going in the video just like that. Look at that hood, the reflection. Let the vlog begin. Great, like I can care less about. All right, what a difference. It's still not done. Like you can tell, like the moments where it's like super shiny. The camera can't even focus. That's how shiny it is. That's how much better it looks. There we go. But you can just tell, like, it's nice and shiny, but it still has some moments. Some guy commented on the new video, or the most recent video, if you guys go check it out and look at it, about some options of what I can do. So we're gonna try that out today. Stop the cap! And hopefully that helps. But yeah, you can just tell the difference, bro. What? It's crazy. The car looks so good. We need to get some new wheels. So like I was saying before in the previous video, we're also going to be doing the trunk. You can see it's like caked up, and then we'll maybe see if we can do this. I don't know, but yeah, it's basically cooked. I'm pretty sure it is, so we're definitely gonna see what we can do and get all that done. All right, let's go outside real quick. We're gonna flip the car around and actually start doing the trunk, because the trunk needs to get done. And yeah, we also still have to polish, but I told you guys before that blue piece that I had here, actually it's here in the dryer now. It's just about, still a little wet. I gotta wait for it to finish drying before we can even use it to polish. So for now, we're gonna just do the trunk. And probably end up polishing tomorrow, because it's starting to get dark now, and I kinda wanna just get as much as I can done with the daylight. And then, yeah, so we'll see what happens, we'll see what happens. But let's go outside. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am having the most fun I've had in a long time. Something different, and whenever I do something different with the car, it's always fun, it's always a blast. Just so you guys can see what we're gonna be doing, you can already kind of see it. If you look close enough, you'll see. It's starting to form just like how my hood was. Like, there's a gloss, just like before. Literally this exact same thing. The trunk's gonna work out a lot better because the hood was kind of like that for a while, but with this just recently started happening. Well, at least I just noticed it, so this should actually work out a lot better. I'm gonna let this dry because it is still like a few wet spots that I can feel. Once it's all done and dry, then we will go ahead and add the compound to it and get to work. And I'm gonna try that machine again because it's doing what it needs to, I guess. We'll get there, we'll get there. Man, just from the little work we did, you can already see the difference. Like, look at that. You can see clear as day. It's insane, bro. Like, I get so dumbfounded. Look at that. This is the middle of the trunk. Yeah, I run a YouTube channel. It's just me rebuilding the whole car and everything.
Man, every time I do any kind of work on my truck or anything that I'm not familiar with, I go straight to YouTube and look for videos like that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm getting this paint done. Trying to get it kind of up to par. The hood used to be super spotty.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Champ, you already know. Make sure that you guys go ahead and drop that like, so just, click right there, that's all you gotta do. And then scroll on over here, hit the subscribe, and make sure I hit the notification bell. Click on all so you get all the notifications. Let's get back to the video. I love y'all. We out.
Okay, so this is crazy. I was working on this and my neighbor came, not gonna show his house for respectable reasons, obviously. And he was asking me what I was doing. I said, yeah, I'm polishing my stuff. You guys can kind of see it. He literally said that he uses this to polish his boat, but he realized it wasn't for him. And he was like, yeah, man, if you want to use it, you can. So he gave me a whole polishing machine, and this one is like, this one works, really works. And he gave me a box of polishing stuff. This is crazy. What? Now we have a machine to work with, and it's actually got a long, decent cord compared to the last one. We're gonna test it out. I'm gonna do it on my trunk because obviously the front is going to probably, if it does mess up for whatever reason, I'd rather it be on the trunk than anything else. There was a few spots over here that just didn't work out or didn't get all the way. This machine might help. Man, if this works, I'm gonna be no good. Right here. It's hard to show you guys because with it being literal paint, you have to have the perfect lighting to see it and everything. And if this works, bro, I'm gonna go back over the hood. This is gonna be insane. Let me see if I can get a good shot for y'all to see it. You can kind of see it right there. All that right there just didn't come out. So I'm gonna try with the machine and see what happens. It might have actually did it. Y'all, I'm gonna freak out. This machine works. Like I said, it's hard to see. Trying to find the best way to show it to you guys. Okay, look right here. You see all of this? You see that? I know it's hard to see, but kind of work with me, okay? You see, if I turn that at an angle, you can kind of see. My machine was not working on that. I used this one in this same section. I had it right there. It's completely gone. It's gone. You might see like a little bit of like that. I know it's hard to see, but like that right there. Yeah, there you go. That's a perfect example. That was all right here. It's gone. This machine just fixed all that. I just needed a stronger machine to get in there. Bro, that same little piece that I showed you guys like 2 seconds ago, it's gone. It's literally gone. That's my fingerprint right there. It's literally gone. You can't see it anymore. It's yo. This whole time, this whole process could be a lot easier and quicker if you have a big machine like this. This is insane. Dog, what? Oh man. Right here, you see, I know you guys can see that. Like, I'm not tripping. It's right there. It's completely gone. Nowhere to be found. It was right, like literally right here in this general area. It's completely gone. Y'all can see my reflection. I don't have to show you on the camera. Y'all can see my reflection. This is insane. The power of just what a machine can do is crazy. This W neighbor, please in the comments, W neighbor. All right, so this is what we're doing. It's like the next day after all that stuff happened, I went to Harbor Freight, picked me up a foam polishing pad. This thing looks nice. So since I'm kind of learning how to use the new big one, I saw that it had Velcro on it, right? Let me go grab it. Now mind you, this is my first time really using one of these, so I've never used one before. I knew about the Velcro, but I didn't know that I probably shouldn't have used this. So it's like basically stuck on it, kind of, sort of, you see? But the Velcro's still there, so it's good. Just gotta get this off really quick, and then we're gonna put this one on there, so that way we can really get into it. Also, we're doing the roof today, to kind of wrap up the video. We're gonna do the roof, and then we're gonna polish the roof and the trunk. Yeah, this is gonna be bad. I can already tell now. Oh, look at that rip. Oh man, yeah. I definitely should have looked. So now I got compound and stuff all on this, and this is kind of bad. Velcro's still pretty good though, so we should be good. My cat's like, bruh, move. Like, what are you doing, bro? You messing with the tripod. Are you good? Are you messing with the tripod? You're hitting the tripod. I'm trying to record, bro. You can't be doing that. All right, so if I'm correct, basically, this is where the Velcro will go, just right on top of it. You just press it down on there. As per needed. Probably shouldn't even put my hands on this part. I don't know. I'm still kind of learning this kind of stuff, but there we go. I probably could have lined it up a little bit better, but overall, like, it's on there, it's good. It's not coming off whatsoever, so we're gonna take this out and we're gonna start working on the roof and see how that goes. But we're gonna save that for the next video. I kind of want to save it just because we had a lot going on with the hood, and because we're gonna actually do polishing and wax all within that part of the video. So I just wanted to kind of make it one full thing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Got more content coming for you soon. I'm already working on the next episode, so we will have the next video available. If I don't, for whatever reason, get this up before Christmas, Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy holidays to those who don't celebrate Christmas. And thank you guys for sticking around. One of my newest shorts did really good. It was like terrible for a while, and then out of nowhere it boosted. It's up to like 16K views. So if you guys are from that short, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, till next time, take care.